The Western Massachusetts Regional Police Academy is facing a lawsuit because of their alleged actions toward a former student. The I-Team breaks down the legal complaint. Good evening. Welcome to 22 News at 5. I'm Laura Hutchinson. A former student in a local police academy is claiming sexual harassment, age discrimination, and unfair treatment in a new lawsuit. 22 News I-Team obtained the legal complaint from the U.S. District Court in Springfield that accuses police instructors at the Western Massachusetts Regional Police Academy, which is located on Styx campus in Springfield. The former student, Timothy Turley, claims instructors at WMRPA unfairly singled him out for being older than the other recruits and listed instances in the complaint when he claims he felt humiliated and offended. The I-Team contacted the state for comment, but Terrell Harris, the spokesman for the State Department of Public Safety, said they don't comment on pending litigation. To read the full complaint, you can head to our website, WWLP.com.